Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will walk you through how to create an account on Meta Business Suite using your mobile phone step by step. First, open the Play Store or App Store and search for Meta Business Suite. Tap Install, then open the app once it's done downloading. Now tap Login with Facebook. You also have other options to log in as well, like login with Instagram or login with Meta Work account. But for now, we are logging in with Facebook. This will link your business to your Facebook profile. If you don't already have a Facebook business page, Meta will guide you through creating one. Just choose a name, category, and add a profile and cover photo. Let's get started with this one. Let's keep the name. Okay, let's go with Inner Work. No, maybe Inner Power. Tap Next. Now choose the category that best describes your page. Let's go with Meditation Center. Just go with these two. Once you have completed the basic setup, you will now be inside the Meta Business Suite dashboard, ready to manage your page. If you want to manage Instagram too, go to Settings, tap Connect Instagram and follow the login prompts. And that's how you create and set up an account on Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe and tell me in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.